Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2018 Lexus RX350. So we're just gonna do a quick oil change for this car. So customer already brought the parts. So he got this from and Motul 0W20. And also I'm gonna do this an air filter. So again, the customer brought the parts, so that's his preference. That's what parts that he like to put on his car. And also I already jack up the car. So over here guys, if you wanna jack your car, there is a lip spot or jack point for this car. It's on the middle, and then that's my wooden jack stand. Same thing in here for my safety, and of course light. So there's your oil filter and drain plug somewhere over there. It's kind of dark, but I hope you could, you know where's the location of your drain plug in your oil filter. So it's on the passenger side, so that's your car. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, so let's drain this oil. So we're using number 14. It's number 14 wrench. There you go. Alright, nice. Okay, let's drain it for a few minutes. That's the drain plug. Now while we draining that, we can also start removing the oil filter. So there is a cap in here, and we're using this 3/8. Just loosen this. Okay, that's good. Sometimes this one will go with this, but luckily it didn't go. So now we can remove this. I think this is the bypass, bypass drain, and it's your oil filter. It comes with this. I'll show it to you. This one, this tube, you can use this tube, this one. So we're just gonna insert it in here, and then there you go. Nice. See that? It's very important. Alright, so I think there's no more drips, so we can remove this. And then we can now remove the oil filter housing. Alright. It's a little bit tight. There you go. there's no mess. So we're using these special tools for Toyota and Lexus. Right guys, so let's put some gasket in this new filter housing. So first, let's remove this. There you go. Put in here. Get a new one. Just put it on. There you go. Then let's remove the O-ring. Where's the O-ring? Right here. There's like a spot where you can. There you go. Now let's remove the O-ring. Put the new one. Come on. There you go. Nice. Make sure it's aligned. Yeah, and then remove your, oil filter remover tool. Then there's one more O-ring over here. So I'm just gonna remove this. There you go. Get the new one. Put it here. Oh, okay. And now let's put back this. Nice. Perfect. Now just wipe it. Clean rag, of course. And it's ready for installation. There you go. Right guys, so let's put on new oil filter. So, open it. Alright, that's it. When it's snug, stop it. Because this is plastic. There you go. Don't over tighten it. And also, same thing with this. Just make it snug. Perfect. Nice. Clean it. And also, guys, make sure to check if you had a washer in here, and it seems like there's no washer. And check your oil, maybe it's in your oil, because this plug doesn't have any washer, so I'm not really sure. Let me check on, maybe it fell in here. Right guys, so again, this one has no washer, so I'm guessing it fell in here when I remove it. So we're just gonna try to check it. Oh, there you go. I got it. Like I said, there's a washer like this. So make sure don't put the double washer. So that's the washer. So it goes like this. Thing like this. Like that. There you go. Yeah, there's only like one washer actually. Alright, so again, this is very important because sometimes this one will stick on that oil pan, or it will drop or fall down on your catching pan. So make sure you add your washer. Alright guys, let's put back our drain plug. Okay. There we go. Let's remove this. And same thing with this, just don't over tighten it. It says on the book it's 18 or 22 foot-pounds, 18 to 22 foot-pounds, but I will just gonna trust my my hand, so we're just gonna let go. One more. Okay, that's good enough. And then let's just clean it up. Same thing with this filter. So later on we will check for any leaks. Perfect. Go. So I'm using brake cleaner. Alright guys, so out of curiosity, I'm just gonna measure this, how much we put oil in this car, because on the book it says 5.5 liters. Holy cow, it's more than 5.5. I'm talking about liters, okay? And in the book 5.8 quarts or 5.5 liters. And that it's let me get my see that it's more than 5.5, so they put see this, yes guys, right there, that's 5.5. There you go, 5.5 liters. It's more than 5.5. Yeah. Oh well, so almost probably 5.7 liters. Okay, so this is already 5 liters, and I got one more. Right here. One more 0W20 motor full synthetic. Alright, let's just put 5.5. I was gonna follow what's on the book, 5.5 liters. Right guys, so this is your oil cap, so it's in here. There's my, it's a little bit dark in here. So that's your oil. Where you put the oil. So now let's put 5 liters for the meantime. So he got this, oil, not me. This is his preference. Okay. Right guys, so this is 500 ml, so I was gonna go 5.5 liters. I double check on Google too. Some says 5.4, 5.5 with tow package something, but I was gonna go with the 5.5, and in case I was gonna let the customer know, so I put 5.5. But what I get from his car, it's more than 6 liters. Almost, I think that's almost 6 liters, 5.8 to 5.9. So it's up to him if he will gonna add more oil, but I guess this should be okay. 5.5. Okay, let's loose it and okay, let's start the car. Alright guys, there you go. That's how you change the oil for 2018, 2019. I think this is on the manufacturing date. It says 2018, but on the papers 2019. Lexus RX350 oil change. And there you go. If you had any question about this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. And before we go, let's just check for any leaks, and I'm pretty sure there's no leak in here. Alright. Super clean, look at. Something there. Nothing, super dry. Alright, that's it, done.